Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are learn how to create a stunning ghee diya at home using candle, kapoor and ghee. In this DIY tutorial we will show you how step by step guide on how to make a beautiful ghee diya that will add a touch of elegance to your home decor and perfect for a special occasion or everyday uses. This handmade diya is easy to make and required minimal materials, so get creative and make your own ghee diya with candles and kapoor at home. Watch till the end for a beautiful and unique result. So guys, this simple yet elegant diya will add a warm glow to your home and is perfect for any occasion. First, gather your material. You will need some candles, ghee, few small candles, kapoor and whisk. Begin by melting the ghee in a small boiler, double boiler. Next, take your small candles and carefully remove the whisk. Place the whisk into the melted ghee, allowing it to soak up the goodness, and this will help create a sturdy flame once we light it. Now it's time to add the kapoor. Break up small pieces and place it around the whisk in the ghee. Kapoor not only enhance the fragrance but also add a unique touch to your diya. Once everything is in place, let it ghee cool down and solidify. This will create a beautiful diya that can be lit with easy. Finally, when you are ready to light your ghee diya, simply strike a match and enjoy the soothing glow and fragrance it bring to your space. So guys, I just want to take a moment to say thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me and I couldn't do this without you. Now I have some excited news to share. You won't believe what I have a store for you next. I have been working on some brand and new content that's going to blow your mind. idea, fun challenge, and a deeper dive into the topics you love. These upcoming videos will be a mix of everything you have enjoyed for so far, plus some surprise that I know you are going to love. I can't wait to for you to see what I have been cooking up behind the scenes. So make sure you stay tuned. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss a single moment of this action. Thank you for being such an amazing community. I appreciate you so much, and I can't to share my new videos with you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care, thank you.